Okay, so part 2 of task 1. First thing is to open the beach 400.tiff image in the Photoshop program. You'll find beach 400.tiff in the tasks and criteria, resources for tasks folder. Once you have it, you can drag and hold, and Photoshop will automatically open the image. Once you're there, you need to take the image in Photoshop and duplicate it. If you go to Image, Duplicate, you'll see the title, which is a strange title. Try to avoid spaces in your titles and try to avoid .tiff as we have here in the title. A better name would have been beach no space 400. So try to avoid the endings of codecs and try to avoid spaces in names. You could use underscore if you wanted to. Beach underscore 400 tiff would have been fine. So here we have a copy. So we say first copy, and then we want a copy of that. Duplicate again, so we have copy 2. So now we have, in fact, 3 images which are duplicates of the same image. And in the first copy, which is tiff, you can see the problem with the name, beach 401 .tiff with a double F, copy. So this is the first duplicate. What we want to do is resize this as we did in part 1. So image size, and the width instead of 400 will be 800. You'll see the difference here in the size is reflected in the pixel dimensions at the top. And the second image, again, same thing. Image, instead of 400 we make 1600. And once again you'll see, note the size of the pixel dimensions and the total size of the picture of 314K instead of 4.91. So this is very significant. You can see obviously the largest picture is the last duplicate. So what we want to do now is copy and paste the second largest image, which is the first duplicate, onto the largest image. In fact, we're going to go this way, second largest and then the smallest into the largest image. So what we're going to do here is the second largest, select all as we did in part 1, and copy, and go back to the big image and paste. Before we do that, I'll just shrink the image size. In the bottom corner here, there's other ways to do that, but say we make this 30%. We've copied the second image. Now we paste it, and you'll see this second image, the duplicate of the first image, is now here. Go to the first image, select all, copy, and back to the largest image, and again edit, Command V or paste, and you have the final image. And what we're doing this exercise for is so that if you can zoom up, you will see there is the gradual decay of the image quality from the first one that was duplicated we can see gradually how there's less and less information as you make the image bigger. So we recommend a maximum size increase, scale increase of say 85 to 125%. Otherwise you'll start to get what we call pixelation and loss of quality in the image. So there you have it. That's part 2. I'd like you to try this with your own image and see what experimental fun you can have. The final image should look, if you go to here, fit screen, should look something like this. Thanks for trying Digital Photography 1, Task 1. We'll see you in Task 2. Bye for now.